Yo, what the fuck? What am I doing? I can't believe that I'm rapping. I found myself spitting bars instead of singing. I found myself killing rappers with assistance. Take note. Excuse me, I mean take note in what I'm about to teach you. Excuse me, why I'm rapping in English? Why do I even ask this question in English? And this one, I'm in law. I can't believe it was yes and Alendo. I can sing and rap and yes and Alendo. I'm $1 million deal. Tata my chance. I am a problem. I need to put a mask. I need me yeah. I'm packing buyile. Otin kupuli pesiam. Jeng I'm a player Shakespeare. Let me put my chest down. Put my chest down. Nigga pen the pepper. I wanna rest the pan. I so down on some pizza. She got the patties, she got the nabby, she got the fatty. What the fuck am I saying? I'm trying to rap, trying to sound dope when I'm rapping. Funan gizo jeng rap, alen ngamuza when rapping. It's a fact I make everything sound good. I sing and rap, gingo sebantu. Ubungaza wuti ketaloshu, ubas lingi zamas lumbelantu. Yo, I thinking ya bo. Oh, I'm done. Alright.